So this is the drill press. The drill press is a very useful tool to use because the drill press can only drill up and down vertically. It's not like a hand drill where we can drill at lots of different angles. Now the drill press is a very safe tool to use. All you need to do is just make sure you have a piece of scrap wood underneath so we don't get blowout at the bottom of the hole. We turn it on and off at the front. Make sure you're holding down your piece of material nice and firmly. You grab the handle at the back and you just pull down. So let me demonstrate what that looks like. And there we have our hole. So very simple tool how to use. There are some quite key safety things we need to remember. Number one, we have eye protection on. Number two, you have no hair hanging down near the drill. If your hair gets caught around the drill, then it's going to either pull you into the drill or it's going to scalp you. And we definitely don't want that to happen. So hair tied up, preferably in a bun, please. And make sure that you're holding your material nice and firmly so that it doesn't get stuck up on the drill bit.